there! Thank you so much for joining me. This is Julie DiMatteo from thepaperpixie.com, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. And in this video tutorial, I want to share with you one of the swaps I'm taking to Stampin' Up's 30th anniversary onstage event. I quickly made 200 of these to take, and these are sweet little envelopes that hold a little mini pouch of Tic Tacs. How cute is that? These are so easy to make, so let me show you how to do it. All right, so it's an envelope punch board project, and I'm going to use the Under the Mistletoe Designer Series paper. The paper I used here is the Dashing Along Designer Series paper. It was a host promotion, but it is actually now available for purchase again while supplies last. We're going to start with a piece that measures 3 1/4 by 3 1/4. Again, this is the Under the Mistletoe. I'm going to grab my scoring tool. We're first going to punch and score on the first side at 1 3/8 inch, and that's where you're going to line up the left side of this paper at 1 3/8. Punch and score. Then I'm going to rotate it counterclockwise and line up the score guide, this score guide here, with that score line. It happens to be 1 7/8, but you don't need to know that measurement as long as you just follow that score guide and your previous score line. So punch and score. And we'll continue to do that all the way around, just following those score lines, punch and score. Okay, now next, the punching and scoring is done, so we're just going to fold and burnish on all 4 score lines. Now, what you'll notice is that if you fold this over, this corner actually hangs past the score line here, so there's a little bit of overlap. And the easiest way to get rid of that is I fold from the left, fold the right one backwards, and then you can see that there's that little overlap. Just flip over my paper and cut that off. And I'll do the same thing to the other side. And that will fix that problem up easily. So the next thing we'll do is just glue this together. I'm going to use liquid multi-purpose glue. I'm going to fold one side from the left and just apply a little bit of glue to about 1/3 of it. I don't want to go all the way. And I'm going to do the same thing to this other edge here. Just a little bit of liquid glue. And then go ahead and fold and press that into place. Those will overlap. Then what I'll do is pick either one of these, whether top or bottom, it doesn't matter. And I'm just going to go ahead and put glue around the edge here, a little bit in the middle, and then press that into place. And that is really how easy this little pocket is. All right, so once that glue has dried, the next thing I'll do is I'll just stick in my little Tic Tac pocket. It is going to bulge a little bit, but I think that's what makes it even cuter. Then I'm just going to take a glue dot and stick that at the very point of the envelope flap. And then just close it off. How easy is that? So can you imagine making 200 of them went very easy. So let's do a little bit of stamping. I'm going to stamp using the Christmas Traditions Punch Box stamp set. You'll get a stamp set and a coordinating punch. And we're going to stamp this Peace and Joy sentiment. I'm going to stamp that on Whisper White with Shaded Spruce. And for this, I'm actually going to punch out the sentiment using the 1 1/4 inch circle punch. Then I'll punch out of Real Red the Christmas Traditions punch. And I'll layer those two together with liquid glue. And then I'll pick up a rhinestone here, a little bit of added bling. And I'll grab a couple of dimensionals. And I purposely put them up and down on the back just because of the little bulge in the envelope pocket. And then we'll place that right on the front. How quick, easy, and cute is that little mini Tic Tac envelope? I love how it turned out. These would be so cute to make a bunch of these around the holidays and just hand them out as you're going around your Christmas shopping to brighten someone's day. Quick and easy to make. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss my next video. If you're interested in purchasing any of the Stampin' Up! Products I used today, they'll be linked in the description. And I'll also include a link to my detailed blog post with all project measurements and details. I'd love to have you come visit me at thepaperpixie.com, where I post projects every weekday to inspire you. I have options to subscribe to both my monthly newsletter as well as my daily blog updates, and I'd love to welcome you as a new subscriber. You can shop with me anytime at thepaperpixie.com/shop. And if you're interested in earning a discount on your Stampin' Up! Purchases, I'd love to have you join my team of Paper Pixies. And you can purchase the starter kit at thepaperpixie.com/join. If you give this project a try, I'd love to see what you come up with. You can share it on social media with the hashtag #PaperPixie, or feel free to share it with me via email or Facebook Messenger. Thanks again for watching. I hope you have a wonderful and blessed day. Take care. Bye.